Hi everybody, we're going to use Emmett's wrap with abbreviation. So let me hit Control-Shift-P and open up that command palette, and then I'm just going to hit enter on my keyboard. And now that line is selected, and I'm going to type up here in the portal what I want to wrap it in. So I want to wrap it in a div, and then I'm going to give it a class of household because a cat is a household pet. And then I'm going to give it the ID of cat. And when I hit enter up here, you can see that code has solidified in my editor. Now I'm actually going to undo that by pressing Control Z, and then I am going to wrap two different lines. So I want to create a second cursor here. So I'm going to hit Shift Alt and then click on the line where I want my second cursor to appear. And then I'm going to open up the command palette again by pressing Control-Shift-P and enter to select that. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to create a div with the class of household, and then I'm not going to enter any IDs, and so I'm going to hit enter, and there you go, that code has showed up into my editor.